Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Connor, and I'll take you through the addition of electrical mass properties in routing and in electrical 3D. In designs like this telescope, calculations around the centre of mass and moment of inertia are essential. The approximately 4,000 fibre optic cables coming from the instrument will add significant weight to the rotation portion of the assembly. The instrument position accuracy needs to be incredibly precise. Just the tilt degree must be correct to 4 decimal places. SOLIDWORKS 2020 includes the ability to fill in mass properties for wires, cables, and even coverings, including partial coverings. This can be defined from the SOLIDWORKS electrical libraries or from the routing library manager. So, in addition to generating root subassemblies with circuit summaries and connector pinout details, we'll also have the mass calculated automatically, even as changes are made to the root. With 2020, we can easily understand how the wires and cables will affect the centre of mass and moment of inertia of the assembly. To recap, we can input the data via our routing or electrical libraries and see its effects instantly on the mass properties of our geometry.